How to connect your laptop, cell phone, or tablet to your Android TV. Laptop method. Step 1. Turn on both your device and TV. Step 2. On your laptop, press and hold Windows logo and click P. Step 3. Navigate to connect to a wireless display and click. Step 4. Wait until your device find your TV. Step 5. Find your TV. Step 6. Allow your device to connect using the remote control or TV panel. You should see your device screen on your TV. Connecting your mobile phone and tablet. Step 1. Turn on both your device and TV. Step 2. Go to your phone settings. Step 3. Navigate through more connections. Step 4. Turn on the easy projection. Step 5. Let your phone to search for available devices. Select Android TV and connect. Step 6. Allow your device to connect using the remote control. You should see your device screen on your TV.